Hello everyone, how are you? I think everybody are fine. So here is the unboxing of the Noise Halo Plus Elite Edition watch. This has chain instead of belt, and that is the most attractive things of this watch. We'll see the unboxing and we'll see what it is there in the overview. Just I remove the wrapper. So we have to remove your seal also here. The seal is there. So the seal was not open. I think the watch is genuine, and we have to open here. Here is also a seal, so we have to break this. So now we have to open this. So here is the booklet and a watch here. Black watch. This is a black watch. We'll remove this. Let us see what is there inside again. So we have the booklets, sticker and booklets, and what else is there? Yeah, this is an adjustable size instrument. From this we can adjust the size of the wrist and booklets, and this is the watch. I'll where I use it and give the complete overview of this watch within few days. Hence I request you to please subscribe my channel, hit like and share it. Thank you very much.